Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
8 seconds.
Nice one to start with.
Yeah.
I don't know if you saw it, but it had most of the cross tunnel and top that. Most of it done already. So yeah, it's only downhill from here.
Soon after.
Ready. That'll be a DNF. Check with the delegate. I think that's going to be a DNF. That's a DNF, isn't it?
No, that's a +2 because that one is it's still closer to the yellow, but this one is +2.
Okay, I did not expect that.
Epilogue.
Is the microphone working today? Is the microphone working today?
I'm never comfortable on these seats. I blame the seats, that's what I'll do. Are you Matthew Cook's dad?
Yes.
I thought so.